Good afternoon, this is Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. So I'm up here on this 4th floor patio up here in Irving. This is southwest facing on this side. Nice little seating area. That is northeast facing on this side. So since we get a lot of heat in through this one area and a lot of sun, we've been installing a universal motion screen here. This is a Suntex 95 material, so it blocks out 95% of the sun, roughly. This is a bronze color. The material is actually from Phifer, motorization by Somfy. So we can drop this thing all the way to the floor, and as that sun continues to encroach later in the afternoon, we've now created a solar block for this side. Now, unfortunately, that also blocks a lot of the airflow that's coming through this space. Without the airflow, it gets a little bit stuffy up here. So what we did on this side is installed another universal motion screen. This one is using a TuffScreen No-See-Um material, so this is only insect control. So this will drop all the way to the bottom as well. What that also does is creates an insect-free seal on both sides. So now 40 feet up, you don't have a ton of mosquitoes, but you can have some other bees, wasps, other insects like that. The other thing it does is those bottom rails, as they hit the bottom, now create a draft so that that ceiling fan right there, when it's moving, can actually create some circulation in here. Normally when you have a ceiling fan outside, it'll push the air down to the floor and it'll be gone on either side. In this case, it's not going to do that because it has the bottom rails to hit, and it'll actually go up and recirculate this air. Also doesn't hurt that we have a big Vornado fan right there. So with the Somfy remote control, the other thing we can do is operate them both at the same time. So when we want them to go up, I can hit the remote control on the all function and have them go up at the same time. We're hoping to get a lot more business out here because there's a lot of these units that are all the same. So if this interests you at all, give us a call. My number is 972-644-9411. We're available anytime to come out and do some measurements. If it's south facing, we'd really like to do those measurements and installations in the morning. You can also reach us at blinddepotdfw.com. And if you don't know what the DFW stands for, then you are out of our service area. Thanks for watching. We enjoyed it. Have a great day.